Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to go over a website that I found just kind of scrolling on the internet. There's no sponsorship by them. I'm not partnering with them in any way. Just a side note, if you hear some clicking and weird noises, those are my dogs. I apologize for their interruptiveness, but just kind of ignore them. So I found this website called HiBid. Once again, not sponsored by them. Just wanted to show you guys this because I thought it was a great website. You can find robot vacuums, other electronics for really cheap. Let me just show you some of the stuff you can find. I'm pretty sure I spelled that wrong. You're not going to find Robot Masters on here. I don't think he's for sale. For some reason my computer saved that entry from YouTube. But anyway, so as you can see, there's quite a bit of different things that pop up. But look at this. Shark IQ self-empty robot vacuum, $70. Or Roomba 960. What's this one? A Roomba, I'm not sure what that one is. E5 maybe? But just a bunch of different robot vacuums. There's even a Roborock on here for 25 bucks, E5, E35. So just wanted to throw this out there for you guys. Look at that. There's a robot mop there from iRobot. What is this one? A Eufy or Oofy. I don't know how to say that, but yeah. So I just wanted to show that to you guys. Great little website I found. I know tech reviews and unboxing. Does some of the liquidation sites. I haven't had any luck with those. Maybe because he bought all the pallets. Just kidding. But yeah. So if you guys are interested, just check this out. Once again, I'm not sponsored by them. I just thought it'd be a good little video to throw up, and if you guys are looking for a robot vacuum, or maybe you're just looking for some of these other things like, I don't know, building supplies maybe. I don't know what you guys are into besides robot vacuums, but we'll do building supplies and see. Oh, I probably can't search for robots and building supplies. So let's wait for this to load. So there's like fencing and look at that, all kinds of stuff. So yeah, the one thing I did find out though from this site is there's a $1 fee in order to place a bid. It's a $1 fee, so I mean, if you find something you really like, it's not terrible, but it's kind of a downside of it. But they do offer like financing, shipping quotes, and insurance, all that kind of stuff. I'm currently bidding on a new Shark IQ, a couple of them actually, just to see what I could get and to see how true this site is. But it seems pretty legit from what I found on the internet. I haven't seen anybody report it as a scam or anything like that. So I'll leave a link in the description down below if you guys want to check it out. But the website is hibid.com. So I think it's a great little website. Once again, I'm not in any way sponsored or endorsed by them. I just wanted to share that with you guys because I thought it was a cool little site that I found where you can bid on pretty much anything, but especially robot vacuums. Like there's wedding rings, there's jewelry, electronics, computers, all kinds of stuff. So with that, stay tuned. Tomorrow or Sunday, because today's Friday, I will be releasing a robot vacuum video. I also have a Proscenic P10 on the way. They've partnered with Proscenic and they're sending me a Proscenic P10 to review. But you know, as I do with all my tests, I don't favor any of them. I like to do real world tests without showing any favoritism on any of my behalf. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on my Facebook page, Twitter, YouTube. But thank you guys so much for your support, and we'll see you next time. Yeah.